Permanent eyeliner application. Use a 1, 3, 5, or U-shaped needle. Set the needle length at 1.5 millimeters. Needle depth is between 0.3 and 0.5 millimeters. If you draw in too much pigment, it will splatter. Don't go too deep or pigment can migrate. Do not move the needle too fast. Gently hold the eyelid with 2 fingers. Slightly roll up, exposing lash roots, then push down to flip over, overlapping the lower lid. Keep eyes closed the entire time. Use an anesthetic applicator to rub each section a minimum of 7 times or more for about 3 minutes. This allows anesthetic to absorb into the eyelid and be more effective. For the next numbing stage, use moist, sterilized gauze and place it over the lower eyelid. Close the upper lid over the gauze, ensuring the corners are tucked in securely. Apply anesthetic over the lash root area. Leave it covered for 10 minutes. Next, draw the tail. Use the crease of the eyelid as a guide and trace the natural line downward. Then draw a connecting line upward to complete the tail. For the eyeliner technique, use your index finger and thumb to firmly roll up and expose the lash line. Use needle to lightly touch the skin and scatter the dots, creating a soft, shadow-like effect. In this video, the needle angle appears to be slanted. Please note, the needle should be held at an 80 to 90 degree angle to prevent migration. Avoid getting too close to the tear duct. To finish the eyeliner corner, create a fine, smooth ending. Gently squeeze and dab the area to seal in color while cleaning, rather than wiping it off. The eyeliner is complete. Visit liner.beautytip.pro for more tips and for a discount on permanent eyeliner tools.